Voiceovers for Beginners. Here at Voiceover Masterclass, we'll tell you the steps you need to take to be able to have what, for many, is the perfect job. As an independent voiceover with your own home recording studio, you're your own boss, you can earn as much as you like, you can have quite often a load of fun and satisfaction recording a variety of scripts for clients around the world. Also, once you have your little recording studio set up and the equipment bought, there are hardly any expenses either, apart from electricity, internet, and a bit of marketing charges. What's not to like? Let's tell you a bit more about it all, and there's no need to take any notes. We'll give you a free PDF checklist at the end.
Now, you may have heard the term voiceover and also the term voice actor. What's the difference? A voiceover, also maybe confusingly called a voice artist, is someone who gets sent all sorts of scripts that could be used on radio and TV commercials, training programs, phone prompts, or corporate or business video narration. All these scripts they would perform and record in their own normal voice, although there will be variations in emotional style and speed, but it would be all the voiceover's own voice.
Now, a voice actor, on the other hand, is someone who angles to get work from video game companies, cartoon production houses, or from broadcasters who make radio plays, and they perform a wide range of parts, like a theatre actor would be offered. But of course, nobody would see them. They wouldn't need to dress up in costume, have makeup, learn lines, because they can read off the script. Their voices may sound widely different from one job to the next, as they'll need to perform different emotions, voice ages, accents, styles as well.
Maybe a voice actor could take the part of a talking toothbrush in a funny TV commercial for one job, and next be a serious actor in the cutscenes of an all-action game. So, if you're particularly interested in doing the voice acting side of things, have a look at our video playlist on voice acting, or check out our special voice acting courses we have on voiceovermasterclass.com. Of course, there's nothing wrong with riding both horses, doing voiceover work and voice acting work.
You know, there used to be a time when the sound of a voiceover was pretty stereotypical. It would be either like a pretty artificial announcer voice, or like an insincere radio DJ in the 80s, or posh like a BBC newsreader. But these days, as you probably have noticed on the media, anything and everything goes. In fact, true diversity has really taken off, giving loads more people from all sorts of different backgrounds and ethnicities the opportunity to record their voice and be paid for the work. And as well as diversity, often a natural voice sound is very welcome.
But of course, like all jobs, there are loads of things to learn. And that's why we set up voiceovermasterclass.com to train newcomers up to speed as rapidly as possible. So, are you up for the challenge? Eventually, you'll need to record and edit show reels that show off your voice, and we can show you how to do this. And also where to sign up to various voiceover websites and how to create your own website. First, let's have a look at the areas you may need to develop your skills in.
You need to know the type of voice you have and improve any aspects that could have a negative impact on your listeners. This is what we cover in the voice training YouTube playlist, and you're welcome to check that out later. And then you can do exercises to help improve your reading skills. Now, this is so important. You may think you can read well and fast, but voiceovers need to be fantastic sight readers. What's more, we also need to check if we're making any mistakes when recording. Plus, we need to be able to train our eyes to look ahead, both to the next few words and also glance to the next few lines to flag up to the brain any unusual words or pronunciations coming up. All this while the mouth reads the words that the eyes are reading at the current moment. Don't worry, it's perfectly possible to train yourself to do all this. The human brain is incredible.
You also need to have a good sense of timing. Of course, you can use a stopwatch for short scripts, but ideally, you'll also have trained your internal clock to be very accurate, and you should be able to roughly guess the duration of a script just by looking at it. This timing accuracy is an important skill to develop because often, if you're directed over the headphones by the client or agency, after one take, you may be asked to shave half a second off or whatever during the next read. This is why your sense of timing needs to be enhanced and accurate.
So let's pretend an advertising agency sent you this TV commercial script. They wanted a caring, medium tempo read. Look at the words on the screen. Do you think it would fit a 20-second, 30-second, 40-second, or 60-second slot? What do you think? Well, let's try it out. Pause the video if you like. Have a go. All right, you back? Okay, Katie, over to you.
For centuries, master shoemakers have accompanied us throughout our lives, from our first small steps to our longest strides. Our award-winning quality is the result of know-how, transmitted from generation to generation. We're proud of our heritage and have always drawn heavily on it. Our styles are always up to date, and with a range of sizes and colours, there will always be something to suit you. With 20% off our new ranges for this month only, there's no better time to visit Master Shoemakers. We look forward to fitting you soon.
So that script fit well into 40 seconds, didn't it? Did you guess that duration, 40? Well, when you start voice work, you'll soon be able to identify script lengths, script types, and also how to get your mind into the appropriate voice, so you'll be able to target the client's needs right away. Plus, you'll need to learn springboard trigger words or springboard phrases, so you can return to that exact voice style, that exact accent or emotion every time. For example, in the various styles that I'm asked to perform, these are my trigger words.
In the life of every great company, there comes a time to change.
I'm patching into your frequency from the year 2071.
Once upon a time, there was a Dragon King. Welcome to the next gallery, here at the Museum of Fine Arts.
And so on. And there'll be so many voice styles you'll create yourself, ranging from serious and concerned voice styles to fun and lively voices, and the odd character voice as well. It all depends on the clients you get, and we'll come to those in a later video. But to record at home, what sort of equipment would you need?
We'll see you in the next video in this playlist, where we look at setting up your voiceover studio. Click the link if you'd like to download this video's PDF checklist.
Hey, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or watch the video once more, just in case there's something you've missed. Now over to my left, you can continue watching. Just click the video you'd like to watch next. And please click the thumbs up icon to let me know if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. And if you've not done so already, remember to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos.